Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add songs from one playlist to another on Spotify. So here I'm going to open my playlist by clicking on your library, and here is my playlist, and I want to, let's see, add the songs right here to another playlist. So what you need to do is just pick a song and then click on the three dots icon, and then you'll find the options to add to another playlist. This one, click on that and choose to where you want to add the song. Just click on that, and after that the song will be added to another playlist. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.